Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix OBS Game Capture not working in Valorant. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just right click with your mouse on your OBS Studio and here click on Properties, go to Compatibility, make sure to check this box, run this program as an administrator. After that, just click on Apply and OK. If it doesn't work, go to Settings. Alright, here we are. Go to after opening Settings, go to System and Display, Graphics. Now here search in the list OBS. If you can't see OBS here, just click on Add Desktop App, Windows C, go to Program Files. After that, OBS Studio, Bin 64-bit, and here just click on this OBS icon, click on Add, and again search OBS. After that, just click on this drop down, and after that again click on this drop down arrow and set it to high performance mode. Okay, if nothing works, go to OBS. Now here under sources, just click on this plus icon, click on display capture, name your display and OK. After that, just click on this drop down arrow display, and here you will see your game, I think Valorant. You will see your game Valorant over here. Just select that and after that just click on OK, and that's it. You will be good to go. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.